If you're playing Pokémon Go on iPhone and you're getting failed to detect location errors, AR not working, or you've been wondering how people are catching Pokémon from the other side of the world, this video covers all of it. Failed to detect location is the most common Pokémon Go error on iOS right now. Here's how to fix it. First, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Find Pokémon Go and make sure it's set to while using the app, not never. If it was already on, turn it off completely, restart the app, then turn it back on. Second, check your internet connection. This error can also trigger when your GPS and internet signal are fighting each other. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data and try again. If neither works, toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, off, then reopen the app. That clears the GPS buffer and usually solves it. AR not working is almost always a permissions problem. Go to Settings, scroll down to Pokémon Go, and make sure camera is toggled on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait 5 seconds, turn it back on, and relaunch the app. If AR still doesn't work after that, check your iOS version. AR features in Pokémon Go require iOS 16 or later, and a device that supports ARKit. If you're on an older device, AR mode may just not be available. One more thing, if your camera works in other apps, but not Pokémon Go, delete and reinstall the game. That clears corrupted permissions that sometimes survive normal updates. Now the question a lot of you have is how people are playing from home, catching Pokémon in Japan, New York, or wherever the best spawns are from their couch. The answer is GPS location spoofing, and on iOS the safest tool I've found for this is PoGoskill. Here is how it works. You download PoGoskill on your computer, connect your iPhone via USB, and use the built-in map to drop a pin anywhere in the world. Your iPhone GPS updates to that location, no jailbreak required. Pokémon Go sees you as being in that exact spot. Important safety tip, use the cooldown timer. After teleporting to a new location, wait before catching anything. The rule is roughly 1 hour per 1,000 kilometers of distance moved. PoGoskill has a built-in cooldown calculator, so you don't have to do the math. This is the one thing that prevents soft bans. Link is in the description. There's a free trial, so you can test it before committing. Quick recap, fail to detect location, check location services settings, and toggle airplane mode. AR not working, check camera permissions and reinstall if needed. And if you want to spoof your location safely on iOS, PoGoskill is the one I trust. All links are in the description. Subscribe for weekly Pokémon Go fixes and guides I post every week.